the way loss prevention has been helped by either OnePay or OneView is within OneView, there are triggers that are done. So there's parameters that we've set with either transactions or deletions or overrings and things like that that are done on a loss prevention basis that are triggers that give us an alert to tell us, hey, this is something you ought to pay attention to. So instead of our district managers having to pour through different documents or even just a report, there's these alerts that tell us that there's a problem that we need to be identified. And then we set the parameters. We choose what that alert is going to be triggered by, but that's really helpful in OneView. As far as OnePay, it's really the accuracy, the paying everything properly, and then being able to go back and do database searches, because now all these items are electronically in your databases, and we can compare the same kind of work by different vendors. We can also compare the same work by the same vendors and look for discrepancies with what they're trying to charge us, either from location or from job to job. Super for that.